Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to check out the low latency settings done in Elegance Linux to make it uh, conducive for doing audio video professional work and other multimedia uses. So for that, what I have done is I have opened up the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio script, or nowadays it is called the Tux Audio script, Tux Audio or Linux Audio script, and I have downloaded from the GitHub page that we have shared with you in some earlier videos. First change that we have to do is to make a change in the boot grub. So this is a parameter that we have to add here to the grub command line is to keep the default CPU frequency to performance. So if that is done, we have to check first. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to open up the grub configuration file. So this is the grub configuration file, and here you can see in the command line there is no change done to the CPU governor. So CPU governor I think by default will be on the on demand only, it is not changed to performance. So this is not done. Next is in the audio configuration file, you have to give the priorities 90. So the real-time priority to the audio system or the audio chip is 90, and the memory lock is unlimited. That is done. We have to check. So for that, you have to open. And here in the audio privileges, you can see the real-time configuration is 98. It should be 90. It is not done. Memory lock is unlimited. Nice settings are also very good. -11, that is minus or -11. That's very good. Even in some Linux distribution, it is -19 by default. Here it is minus or -11. So this is also acceptable. Only the real-time priority should have been changed to 90. It is 98. Okay. So partly it is done. Next is the system control configuration. You have to give the maximum user watches is equal to 6 lakhs. So let us 6 lakhs means 600,000. So in India 600,000 is pronounced as 6 lakhs. 6 lakh is equal to 600,000. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So let us see whether this is done. So system control configuration, I have already opened the file. Here you will not find this setting done anywhere. If you just see, it is not done. So after checking the system configuration of Elegance Linux, we can see that the low latency settings or the real-time settings have not been done properly for the system. So very hardcore audio video professionals will have to do these settings. For casual audio video professionals or casual amateurs, it is okay, you can go ahead. But if you have got multi-track recording, then definitely you will have to have real-time configuration done to the system configuration. Otherwise you will have the syncing issues. So if you are planning to do multi-track recording, multi-track editing, you will require real-time configuration to be done, and you can do that using the configuration script from the Tux Audio. You will not be able to do the multi-track recording without the script from the Tux Audio or the Linux Audio. You will have to have used it. For casual or amateur recording recorders, those who want to do some recording at the home or they want to do it at some school or college, then for the single track recordings, it is okay with this settings that is we see here. Otherwise you will have to do the real time or the low latency configuration as per the Linux Audio or the Tux Audio configuration. And I will also share the link to the GitHub page where the Tux Audio scripts are available. You can download it from there and you can do the configuration to the Elegance system, because I will just show you. If I open it, I will just show you. I have downloaded here. So here you can see the Tux Audio script has been downloaded and it is available for Manjaro. So The script available for Manjaro will work excellently for Elegance Linux, because Elegance Linux is nothing but Manjaro only. So you can safely install this script in Elegance Linux and make it a truly professional audio video production system. So that's it for today's video. We have completed the Elegance Linux playlist, and we will start with a new Linux distribution in the next video. Bye bye.